Hey everyone, welcome back to SQL Dynamo. Today we'll solve a real-world SQL interview problem. How do we calculate the average time difference between orders for each customer? This is a common problem in data analytics where we need to analyze customer order behavior. Let's solve this step by step. First, let's understand what we are doing. We are working with a table called orders. It contains order ID, customer ID, order data, order status and total amount. We'll use customer ID and order data to identify which customer placed the order and the date when order was placed. Our goal is to calculate two things, the time difference between a customer current and previous order, the order time difference for each customer for every order date. Now to solve this, we'll use a common table expression. This makes our query easier to read and understand. The city will calculate the time difference for each customer's order. We'll name the city time diff because it calculates time differences. Let's select the columns. We need three things in this city: the customer ID, the order data, and the time difference between each other. For time difference, we'll subtract current order date from previous order data using a leg window function. This shows how many days pass between two consecutive orders for each customer. Since we are calculating differences for each customer, we use partition by customer ID and we sort the orders by order data in ascending order as time diff from orders. Let's run this part to see the results. This gives us a new table with the following columns: customer ID, order data, and time diff. If it's the first order for a customer, time diff will be null because there is no previous order. Now let's calculate the average time difference for each customer for every order date. We'll now query the time diff city to get our final results. We'll select customer ID, order date, and average time difference. For average time difference, we'll use a COALESCE function because sometimes the time difference might be null for a customer first order. In the first parameter, we'll pass average time difference, and in the second 0, which will replace null values with 0. We used average function to calculate the average time difference. We'll name it average time diff from time diff. Time diff is a city that we created earlier. And finally, group by customer ID and order data to calculate averages separately for each combination. Let's run the query to see the results. Result shows customer ID, its order data, and the average time difference between orders for each customer. Some rows in the average time difference column contains many decimals. Now let's add a round function to round the average to 0 decimal places. The round function is used to round values to a specified decimal place. Let's run the query again to see the output. Now this query gives us a table where each row shows a customer, specified order date, and the average time difference in days to that order data. And that's it. We used a city, handled null values and calculated averages with just a few steps. If you enjoyed this SQL tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to SQL Dynamo for more data analytics tips and SQL interview question solutions. See you in the next video.